Hi, welcome back to the Inner Mind Institute, and please use this session if you have difficulties in falling asleep. Before we start, it is very important to realize that you should not have the goal to fall asleep at this moment. We are going to practice mindfulness, and with this practice, have trust that you will gain enough energy for tomorrow. So, if you cannot fall asleep, I recommend you to practice these techniques for the whole night. Probably you are not able to do that because you're getting tired and then you fall asleep at the end anyway. Now, before we start to connect with our breathing, I want you to become aware of your whole body. First, be aware of your body touching your mattress. Feel your mattress underneath you. And let your body become heavier by relaxing all your muscles. Can you relax your upper back, your lower back? What about your pelvis and your legs? Relax. Just focus on the body. And if you have a very busy mind or experiencing a lot of strong emotions or tension in the body, for this moment try to accept all the unpleasant sensations that you have. Try to become present. And now start focusing on your breathing. Feel how the belly rises and falls. And do the same with your chest. Your chest expand just a little and contract. Now feel how your body expands while breathing in and how it softens while breathing out. Now relax even more muscles. Feel how your body sinks into the mattress. And now connect with your breathing by feeling on the inside of your nostrils. Feel your breath touching your inner nostrils while inhaling and exhaling. Relax your face. And now can you relax at the inside of your head? As if your brain is a big muscle, I want you to relax your brain completely. And stay connected with your breathing. And if you have a lot of thoughts, let the mind be busy. If you are worrying, just allow yourself for a moment to worry. And if you experience a lot of negative emotions or strong emotions, just allow these emotions for a second. Keep relaxing the brain. Relax your eyes. Now relax your brain, your eyes, and your body. Feel how the body breathes by itself. And to calm your thoughts and emotions, and even your body, I want you to breathe in deeply and breathe out deeply. And while exhaling, relax the body even more. And do it again. Deeply in, deeply out, with calmness. And let your breath return to its own rhythm. Stay with your breathing gently, and you become more calm. Now I want you to focus again on your whole body. Feel how the body presses into the mattress. And I want you to completely relax your body. But this time the body feels more calm, more relaxed. And I want you to relax your body even more. Let go of negative thinking. Let go of negative emotions. Do not try to solve any problem at this moment. All your problems will be solved somewhere in the future. Keep faith and trust. For now, I just want you to focus on your body, this present moment, and your breathing, calming yourself. And do not worry if you're not sleepy. You just stay with your breathing, and the energy of mindfulness will protect you during the whole night. And now observe your breathing and let your breath become even more calm. Let the body breathe on its own, naturally. And again, feel on the inner nostrils. And while observing your breathing, relax your eyes, relax your brain. Relax your face and your jaw. If you're still not sleepy, don't worry, just stay here, connected with your breathing, and you can do this for the rest of the night. Just breathe. Stay here till the moment you fall asleep. And feel free to listen again to this whole session. And if you are comfortable, just stay connected with the mindfulness. Allow yourself to fall asleep gently, calmly, with ease. Let yourself drift away. Now keep meditating. And I wish you to have a good night rest.